Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, subject English. Topic number 12, adjectives. Let us read these sentences. A mouse has a long tail. So a mouse has a long tail. So how is the tail? Long. Next, this is a green box. So students, what is the color of the box? Green. So the highlighted words describe the nouns that follow. So students, a word that describes a noun is called an adjective. So remember, a word that describes a noun is called an adjective. So first, let us understand what is an adjective. Okay, so adjectives usually come before the noun and they describe the quality of the noun. So students, usually adjective come before the noun and they describe the quality of the noun. In some cases, adjectives appear after the noun, and in some cases, adjectives appear after the noun. Often the verbs in the sentences are is, are, am, was, were. For example, the students were noisy. So students, the word noisy is an adjective. The word noisy describes how the students were. So the word noisy is an adjective. Next, the man was sad. So students, here the word sad is an adjective. The word sad describes how the man was. So the word sad is an adjective. So students, remember, words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. Also remember that words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. For example, smart boy. So your students, the word smart is an adjective. The word smart describes the quality of the boy. Then next, green parrot. So students, here the word green is an adjective. The word green describes the color of the parrot. Then next, big hall. So students, the word big is an adjective. The word big describes the size of the hall. Round ball. So the word round is an adjective. The word round describes the shape of the ball. First, underline the adjectives in these sentences. So now your students, we have to underline the adjectives in these sentences. A, my grandmother gifted me an attractive chain. So now here the word attractive is an adjective. Next, B, I see a big school bus. So now here the word big is an adjective. The word big describes the size of the bus. See, the Taj Mahal is a historical monument. So the word historical is an adjective. D, the foolish lion jumped into the well. So the word foolish is an adjective. Read these phrases. Honest man, true incident, tall giraffe. So students, as we can see here, that the highlighted adjectives describe the quality of the noun. So an adjective that describes the kind of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing is called an adjective of quality. So adjective of quality answers the question what kind. For example, the hungry fox chased a cat. So what kind of fox? The hungry fox. So as we can see here, it answers the question what kind. Now let us read these phrases. Several children, some rice, many packages. So students, as we can see here, that the highlighted adjectives describe the quantity of nouns. So students, remember that an adjective that describes the quantity of a noun is called an adjective of quantity. So an adjective of quantity answers the question how much. For example, there is little water to drink. So how much water? Little water. So as we can see here, that a adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Next, read these phrases. Seventh game. The next, 26 years. And next, one dish. So students, the highlighted adjectives describe the numbers of nouns. See here, one dish, then 26 years and 7th game. So the highlighted adjectives describe the numbers of nouns. So remember, an adjective that describes the number of a noun is called an adjective of number. Then adjectives of number can be further divided into two groups, that is cardinals and ordinals. So cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ordinal first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So students, all cardinal and ordinal numbers are adjectives. So adjectives of number can be further divided into two groups, that is cardinals and ordinals. For example, I stood in the third row. So students, here third is adjective of number. Now let us read these phrases. Her dress, their house, my brother. So students, the highlighted adjectives tell us who owns something. So an adjective that tells us who possesses or owns something is called a possessive adjective. Next, read these phrases. That man, this park, those people, these pens. So now here the highlighted adjectives help to point out the nouns, that is that man, this park, those people, these pens. So the highlighted adjectives are called demonstrative adjectives. They help in pointing out specific people, places, animals, or things. Question number 2. Underline the adjectives and mention their kinds. So, A. The girl who won the contest is very smart. So, now here the word smart is an adjective. The word smart describes the quality of the girl who won the contest. So, adjective of quality. Next, B. The hot summer is already here. So, here the word hot is an adjective. So, it is adjective of quality. C. Do not touch my belongings. So, students, my is an adjective that tell us who possesses or owns something. So, it is what? It is possessive adjective. Next, D. There was so much food for dinner. So, now here the word much is an adjective. And so, it is adjective of quantity. Then students, next two sentences are for homework. 3. Choose the correct adjective and fill in the blanks. So first, the tall dash. Now which will be the correct one? It will be luxuriant. So the tall luxuriant grass is attractive, but the dash animals refuse to. So it will be innocent animals refuse to walk amidst this dash growth. So it will be thick growth. These dash animals. So as they are innocent, so we'll write here these nervous animals have to be trained and their dash. So it will be what? Baseless or convincing? It will be baseless. So the nervous animals have to be trained and their baseless fear should be wiped out. The dash pickaxe. So it will be what? It will be long or it will be sharp? It will be sharp, right? So the sharp pickaxe must be used to clear a new patch of grass so that the dash alert or sleepy, so that the alert wardens may use them for some dash purpose. Great purpose or suitable purpose? It will be suitable purpose. So from here, the sharp pickaxe must be used to clear a new patch of grass so that the alert wardens may use them for some suitable purpose. Fourth, fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Okay, so first is dash soldiers. So it will be what? Soldiers are always brave. So we'll write here brave soldiers. Then dash horse. So strong horse. Dash plant. So let us write small plant. Then honest person. Dash day. So it will be hot day. Then brother. So my brother. And next students, these four are for homework. Now students, when many adjectives are used together, they are placed in the sentences in a certain order. So when many adjectives are used together, they are placed in a certain order in the sentence. Now let us see what the order. So study the table to understand the order. So first is what? Description. For example, beautiful, nice. So first is what? Description. Then size. That is big or it can be small also. So size. Then shape, that is round or oval. So see how it came, description, size, shape. So beautiful, big, round. Okay. Then next is age. So that will be new or old. Then color. So blue, black, green, orange, anything, whichever it is there in the sentence. Then origin. If origin is there in that, so Indian, American, and many more. Then material. Rubber, leather, sponge. Okay. And at the last, noun. So it can be football, couch, ball, anything. So let us read properly to understand the order. So first is description, then size, then shape, age, color, origin, material, noun. So when we read in order, it will be in this way. Beautiful, big, round, new blue, Indian rubber football. Okay. Then here, nice, big, oval, old black, American sponge couch. Question number 5. Write the adjectives in the correct order. Okay. So now we have to write the adjectives in the correct order. So A, leather, black, shiny shoes. So as we learned previously, what is the correct order? First, what we have to see? We have to see the description. So according to that, first we'll write what? Shiny. Okay. Then next was what? It was size. So is size here? No. Then shape. Then shape is also not there. Then age is also not there. Then what is next? Color. So we can see color here. That is black. So shiny black. And then comes the origin or material. So material is here. That is leather. So leather, and at the last, noun. That is shoes. So now this is in correct order. That is shiny black leather shoes. Then next is embroidered color, full long stole. So first is description. So what will be the correct order, students? It will be long, right? Then next is what? Then next will be colorful, then embroidered, and then stole. So this is long, colorful, embroidered stole. Next, see, new silver expensive bracelet. So what will be the first one? It will be first expensive, then new, then silver, and then the noun. That is bracelet. So expensive new silver bracelet. Now these 3 questions are for homework. So you have to write the adjectives in the correct order.